Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to view trash posts on Facebook using your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Then tap your profile icon. After that, tap the three lines icon at the side of your screen. Here, look for archive, then tap it. Then tap trash icon. Now, you can see your post in trash. Then that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.